At thousands of dollars per month, the cost of finding a good senior living residence is often the biggest obstacle. Sure, you could pay out of pocket, but funds could easily be evaporated in a short period, especially if you have few assets. But there are other ways to pay for senior living besides your savings. In this video, you'll learn about financial assistance, insurance payments, veterans benefits, and other resources that are available to those who want to get into assisted living, nursing homes, or other senior living residences with no money. Stick around and we'll show you creative ways to pay and stay in senior residences if you run out of cash. Hi, I'm Jeff Hoyt, Editor-in-Chief of SeniorLiving.Org. When it comes to where to live, seniors have lots of choices, but those options dwindle as your net worth does. We should know. Senior Living has a comprehensive directory of housing options for seniors, including assisted living and nursing homes across the country. Assisted living facilities are less expensive than nursing homes, but they ain't cheap. Assisted living costs depend on room size, amenities, geographic location, plus care services. Now, if you want to find an assisted living community, check out a free directory. I'll put the link in the description below. The latest data collected by SeniorLiving.org shows that on the average, assisted living costs $141 per day. That's about $4,300 a month, $51,600 for a year. And to learn more about assisted living costs, watch our video. Long-term care insurance will pay for assisted living, but you may have to jump through some hoops to receive your benefits. Many long-term care insurance companies automatically deny requests for payment the first time. Don't get discouraged. To get the insurance company to pay, you may need a doctor's note describing your physical limitations that require help in at least 2 areas of activities of daily living. Now, to speed along the process, ask a representative from the assisted living home to act as an advocate on your behalf. If you have a life insurance policy, well, you could pull money out of its cash value to help pay for assisted living. Some policies allow you to cash it out completely. Now, if that's not an option, you could sell your policy to a company for cash. In some cases, you could convert your policy to a long-term care payment plan, but your policy value will be significantly reduced. Veterans and their spouses could get financial assistance for assisted living, but you must meet certain requirements, including a medical and financial need. If you're a homeowner, you can rent it out or sell it and pay for assisted living with the proceeds. Seniors also have the option of getting a reverse mortgage, which allows you to draw cash in a large lump sum or over time. For more on reverse mortgages, watch our video. Medicare is extremely popular among seniors, but it does not pay for assisted living. Now, it could be used to pay for a short-term stay in a nursing home, but it can't be used to pay for long-term stays. And with nursing home stays at about $105,000 per year, it's important for many Americans to find other resources to pay this steep price other than their own savings. As with assisted living, long-term care insurance, life insurance, veterans benefits, and reverse mortgages can also pay for nursing home care. Medicaid is one of the most common ways to pay for a nursing home when you have no money available. Even if you had too much money to qualify for Medicaid in the past, you may find that you're eligible for Medicaid nursing home care because the income limits are higher for this purpose. Now, the specific income requirements, well, they'll depend on your state. Another option? Seek assistance from your state's agency and the National Association for Area Agencies on Aging. This government program helps seniors access the local financial assistance services available to them. Visit their website and use the search tool to find your local agency. I'll put the link in the description below. And once you find an assisted living community or nursing home you can afford in the present, always ask to see the care company's policy in writing, so you know what will happen if your money runs out. In most cases, the bottom line is that the care home could evict a resident who can no longer afford to pay. Now, if your money runs out and your family isn't able to step in and cover costs, your options will depend on your state and whether you're residing in an assisted living or nursing home. Now, at a nursing home, federal law entitles you to the right to file a hardship waiver with your state's Department of Health and Human Services. A hardship waiver must document how the move would endanger your health or your access to shelter and food. Sadly, a federal hardship waiver does not apply to assisted living facilities. But you can still reach out to government agencies, such as your Area Agency on Aging or your local long-term care ombudsman, which every state is required to have under the Federal Older Americans Act. Now, your ombudsman may be able to negotiate with the facility, secure financial aid to pay for your care, or even find you a new home. To find your local ombudsman, visit ltcombudsman.com and click on your state map. Or your local legal aid agency may take your case at no cost. For more on how to pay for assisted living in nursing homes without money, read our article on SeniorLiving.Org. We also provide a free comprehensive senior living directory where you can find and compare housing options, including in-home care, nursing homes, and everything in between. And please join our community that's 31,000 strong and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.